outside today. You think we're in Aspen, but we're actually in Wales. Jeez. Already know. We outside, we hiking today. We're the guys with the boys. The guys with the boys. Guys, how we doing? How we doing?
Yeah, started the hike. Brilliant. Let's keep it up, lads.
Yeah, we just started. Literally.
That's why the lad needs to do a gym fucking session with legs.
He's a rat.
It's leg day.
He's a rat, bro. You need to. Cause look how much we gotta go. It's long. But we'll catch you guys at the checkpoint. Look at this landscape, guys. Can you see this? Can you see that? That's crazy, man. You don't even think we're in the UK. That looks like Mount Everest.
Mount Everest.
Brother. It's like we made it out. You know what I'm saying? We outside today. I said we made it out.
Get outside.
You need to see the world. Nah, literally. Literally. I didn't even show you, but there's animals here as well. There's sheep, my fellow sheep. Fellow sheep, right there. The sheep and a flock of sheep. But yeah, still up here, hiking. How far are we from the checkpoint?
Right, so we're about half an hour away from the checkpoint.
Half an hour, guys.
So sweating.
We are sweating.
Oh.
To be fair, this is fun. It's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
I mean, look at what we're seeing, guys. Look at this. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at down there. You don't see this in London Sea. What we're seeing here. You don't at all. Got Peeps. Got Shazib. You know, I've nearly slipped so many times. These shoes have no grip. Oh my days, here there's a house. There's a little like shop down there. Let me zoom in for you guys. There's like a little. Should we find out? Hopefully there's no creepy things. Hopefully there's no creepy things down there. In that little house, you know. Hopefully we're Gucci. You know. Why don't you come? Yeah.
It's not too cold this way.
Yeah.
You know this.
I'd be thinking that I'd be ill by now. So I'm asking him what's his first experience there. How many shares?
Like first experience pretty decent.
The only bad thing with it was there was visibility was poor.
Yeah.
It was raining. I had no rain jacket. And I wasn't fitting. But if you go with like lots of people,
Yeah.
you kind of don't realize it's a hike because you're talking along the way.
Mhm.
So the bigger the group, kind of the better. But not too big.
Okay.
That was a good hike.
Yeah. I mean, it's me and Lee this first time doing this. And to be fair, it's decent.
Oh yeah, I vomited on something.
Yeah, he vomited apparently on his first one. That's crazy.
Yeah. That was, I think that's because I went too fast.
Yeah.
I pushed myself to accident. So all that matters, right?
Yeah. At least over time. How many times have you done it? Now?
What, hiking? Like,
Yeah, hiking.
4, 5 times?
Okay.
Professional.
4 or 5. He's literally a pro now.
No.
Okay.
Not yet. Soon though.
Yeah, but he's basically a level above us. A level above. But he's getting there. Once he becomes...
You guys are doing better than me on my first go though.
Yeah. once it becomes sick, guy, I'm telling you, this guy, you can go places with it, you know. So, yeah, literally.
What, Mount Everest next?
Mount Everest.
Base camp. I'm not playing that one. I think it's worth it.
I said Mount Everest.
Mount Everest.
The amount of people that died on Mount Everest, you know, it's crazy.
But now,
okay. We made it to the first checkpoint. Look at the sun beaming at me. We made it. Everybody eating, everybody's chilling. First checkpoint. Look at the views. It was just yesterday. I was in the city of Leicester. Now in Snowdonia, Wales. Amazing. Amazing, man. Beautiful. Look at that. Even this bird is enjoying it. Look at the bird. The bird is enjoying it. He's definitely enjoying it. It's crazy, man. We've come a long way. Come a long way, man. Come a long way. I feel like this is one of the hardest parts. Getting up this bit. The leaves is already way ahead of us. Shaz is behind me. It's tiring. It puts a toll on your calves going uphill, but pain is gain, so it's not too bad. It's just a little bit painful. Backwards is the method. Especially on this far. It might be a little bit harder here because there's a little bit of rocks, but yeah, be careful. Guys, the rescue helicopter is here. We guess they're looking for somebody, but we don't know. It's a bit crazy. Shazab's all the way down there. Oh my days. Are you seeing this, guys? Are you seeing this, guys? Peeps, where the hell are we? We're actually on top of the world. We're actually on top of the world.
See down there, that's Dag.
Down there.
Down there, man.
It's stagnant. We'll wait for Shaz here. Oh my days. So I don't even know how my camera's still lasting, guys. My phone is nearly dead, but I'm with you guys now. It's all about you guys. It's all about the tube. Talking about a tube. There's a train, the rail line. We've come so far. Alright guys, so we made it to the top. We're just waiting on Shazid, our leader. Obviously today hasn't been the greatest day for him, but it's gonna be today. Just wait for him down there. Show them what's going on. Show the people. No, bring it back to me. Bring it back to me. Yeah, so we're just waiting on it. Obviously, this is basically the vlog. Hopefully, my camera don't die. Because my phone is off. And yeah, take care, guys. Obviously, I might vlog going down if I can. So yeah, catch you guys in a minute. Here's Shaz coming up. He made it. He made it. He finally made it. Finally made it. That's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about. You made it. Come on, get at me, dap me up. You made it. That's what we're talking
I'm
about.
so knackered. Never go clubbing, lads.
And
And then we made it.
we made it to the
Well,
top.
I made it last, but
Yeah, he made it last, but he still made it. He still made it.
still made it.
Still made it. That's the compass. Yeah. Top shit. Oh, I'm getting sturdy. Hold on.